Hi everyone. Today is Dave's birthday, and he's always told me that he likes the steak fingers from Dairy Queen, which they don't sell those around here in our Dairy Queen. So I'm going to attempt to make some steak fingers. What all goes into the steak fingers? 1.5 pounds of cube steak patties, 2 eggs, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon seasoned salt, or you can use Cajun, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, and 1 cup of neutral oil, canola, avocado, or grapeseed. I have avocado. So let's begin. Take your cube steaks, take some kitchen scissors, and cut them into strips. You should get about 3 of them with each patty. Then lay them on a plate. And I'll finish that up. So take 1/2 teaspoon of the pepper and 1/2 tablespoon of the seasoned salt. Sprinkle it over the steak fingers until they are coated. And just kind of roll them over and get them coated. If you need more, you can add a little bit more. Okay, set that aside. Take a shallow dish, break your 2 eggs and put them in the dish. Whisk your eggs. And put in your leftover seasoned salt and your leftover pepper. And then dump your flour in another shallow bowl. Take a steak finger, dip it in the egg, and then dip it in the flour. Press it down to make sure it's adhered. Shake off the excess and lay it on the plate. And I'll finish that and I'll be right back. Take your 1 cup of neutral oil, mine is avocado, dump it into your pan and heat it until it's shimmering. To check to see if your oil is hot enough, put a pinch of flour in there, and if you hear it sizzling, and I saw it sizzle, and then carefully put in your fingers. Don't want to overcrowd them, we'll have to do batches. And cook them for about 5 minutes on the first side. After the 5 minutes, lower the heat a little bit and flip them over and cook on the other side. Try to do these in 2 batches. I'll have to do mine in 3. So here is the steak fingers. Rounding out the meal is French fries and white gravy. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh boy, steak fingers.
Hopefully they taste okay.
Are they moose or elk or grizzly bear? Or...
No.
Okay.
It's regular. The only thing missing is the toast.
It's okay. I usually just eat the toast because it's there. Those are good. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.